from elementary school, they're often pushed to studying, and they have extra classes after school so that they can go to a better middle school, so they can go to a better high school, so they can go to the best university. So when they graduate, they could get a job in one of the more prestigious companies. So it's really what you call très citron in French. It's terribly competitive, and a lot of children crack up under the pressure, and there are a lot of negative things that happen, like bullying, and children who can't cope with the studying. In high schools, it's about 40-1 or 50-1, which is a ridiculous ratio. The teacher very often doesn't know the children's names. Cram schools are very onerous on the parents, as they're very expensive and very time-consuming for the children. So they don't have a lot of time to enjoy themselves with their friends. So the way they enjoy themselves with their friends at the moment is going to cram school with their friends, and then maybe going to McDonald's and having a Coca-Cola and doing their homework together. So it isn't really a lot of fun being a teenager, even with all the distractions that seem to be offered to teenagers. It isn't really so wonderful.